Neurological tapping is a process that at first I'll ask you to suspend disbelief, for as you'll see shortly, it's a process that looks a little bit weird, isn't like most things that we typically do to get out of an unwanted feeling, to crush a craving. But I'm sharing it with you because it works. It's a powerful process. Neurological tapping, also called tapping, is very similar to a process called emotional freedom techniques, or EFT. And after watching the upcoming video, I'll recommend, of course, not only that you play with it and practice it regularly, but to do it while you're watching this video, while you're watching the fast tap technique, which is a variation of this neurological tapping, and a video included in this video series. But also to even hop on your phone or computer and go to YouTube or Google processes called neurological tapping, or EFT, or emotional freedom techniques. There are many visual reminders that we can practice with as we tap away. So again, suspend judgment, suspend disbelief, watch the video, practice it, and notice and expect the changes occurring in your life. Now, this process is a process that is an acupressure process. It's based on the meridians that the Chinese discovered thousands of years ago, and that are the basis of acupuncture. This neurological tapping system is based on the belief that any unwanted feeling is the result of a disruption in our body's energy system, and that by tapping on these neurological acupressure points, we will release those unwanted, unproductive feelings. So again, watch the video, practice, play, and expect changes in your life. Enjoy. Begin your tapping process by identifying the issue that you want to work on, the problem or conflict that you're experiencing or feeling, and give it a name. It could be this anxiety I'm feeling, this craving that I have. And then after you've given it a name, rate it from 0 to 10, with 0 being it has no impact on me, not strong at all, almost non-existent, to 10 being the most extreme, powerful feeling you've felt regarding this feeling. 10 being perhaps you must have that which you're craving, or you're close to tears. Again, rating it between 0 and 10. And then you begin by tapping on the karate chop point on the side of your hand while repeating a phrase, even though I have this issue, I choose to love and accept myself anyway. Repeating that 3 times while tapping on that karate chop point. Even though I have this craving, this anxiety, whatever it is, I choose to love and accept myself anyway. A 3rd time, even though I have this issue, I choose to love and accept myself anyway. From there, you'll go around to the 8 points, as you'll see in the video. The eyebrow point, above the nose at the tip of the eyebrow, the side of the eye point, below the eye, the upper lip, the chin, the collarbone point, under the arm, and the top of the head. And then you'll re-rate it. You'll ask yourself, is it anything between a 0 and a 10? Anything above a 0 or a 1? And if it is above a 0 or a 1, a 2, a 5, anywhere above that, then keep going. Tapping on that karate chop point again and saying, even though I still have this remaining issue, this remaining craving, anxiety, problem, or feeling, I choose to still love and accept myself anyway. 3 times, even though I still have this remaining craving, I choose to love and accept myself anyway. Even though I still have some remaining feeling, I choose to love and accept myself anyway. And then going through the 8 points, tapping on them 5 to 7 times for each point. Not too hard, just enough to feel it. And then re-rating once again, continuing this until the feeling is down to a 0 or a 1. So watch the video, practice, play along as you see Haley doing it, and then practice and play along as you experience an unwanted feeling and notice the changes, notice the shifts. Let's begin by tapping on the karate chop point while saying, even though I have this issue, whatever your issue is, I choose to love and accept myself anyway. Even though I have this issue, I choose to love and accept myself anyway. Even though I have this issue, I choose to love and accept myself anyway. Tapping on your eyebrow, repeating this issue. The side of the eye, this issue. Underneath the eye, this issue. Upper lip, this issue. Your chin, this issue. Collarbone, this issue. Underneath your arm, this issue. And the top of your head, this issue. And then taking a nice inhale and exhale, checking in, and if your issue is anything above a 0 or 1, we'll tap again, saying, even though I still have some remaining issue, I choose to love and accept myself anyway. Even though there's still some remaining issue, I choose to love and accept myself anyway. Even though there's still some remaining, I love and accept myself anyway. Tapping on the eyebrow point, remaining issue. Next to the eye, remaining issue. Underneath, remaining issue. Upper lip, remaining issue. Your chin, this remaining issue. Your collarbone point, this remaining issue. Underneath your arm, this remaining issue. And the top of the head, this remaining issue. And then again, a nice inhale and exhale. Checking in again, and when it's a 0, it's gone.